Alright, good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share my thoughts on an interesting question. If a city had empty land, imagine, should we plant more trees or build more houses? Oh, okay, for me, it's not simple, yes or no. Green spaces are great, yes of course, it's really great and good for the environment. There's not always top priority. First, trees really do make cities healthier. They absorb pollutions, release oxygen, and make the environment feel more relaxing. And if you look at Singapore, they started their garden city area almost 60 years ago. That long-term vision totally transformed the whole city. It became greener, cleaner, and honestly, one of the most iconic city landscapes in the world. But here's the reality. Not every city can afford to do that. Some places are facing serious housing crisis. Cities like New York or Hong Kong, the prices are insanely high. And a lot of people can't even afford a small apartment. So in situations like that, building houses is way more urgent than adding another green space. Because trees can improve the quality of life, but they can't replace something as basic as having a place to live. So my opinion is pretty balanced. It really depends on the city's needs. If housing prices are extremely high and people are struggling to find home, using empty lands for housing makes more sense. But if a city has enough housing, then planting more trees is an amazing investment for the future, just like Singapore did. In the end, it's all about balanced, making sure people have a place to live while still keeping the city green and livable. Alright, so that's the end of this video. It's all my thoughts on these questions. And if you have the same or different thoughts with me, just comment below. And thank you for listening, guys. Bye.